Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 15 of the practice final. Simplify as much as possible. 6w times square root of 18u cube minus u times square root of 50uw square. Assume that all variables represent positive real numbers. So let's take the expression 6w square root of 18u cube minus u times square root of 50uw square. So we'll see there are few terms outside the radical, there are few terms inside the radical. So we'll take the terms inside the radical and simplify them. So in the first radical, you have 18, which can be broken as 9 times 2. The reason we do 9 times 2 as opposed to 6 times 3, 9 is the biggest square number inside 18. And u cube can be written as u squared times u. Then for the second one, which is 50, we can break it into 25 times 2. Then uw square, we will leave it as is. The next step, we'll take 6w. Then we'll take this square number, which is 9. There is another square number, which is u square. So we'll take them outside the radical. So square root of 9 is a 3. Square root of u square, which is a u. So you are left with inside the radical, we are left with just 2 and u, 2 times u. Then for the second term, you have u. Now let's look at the square numbers inside, which is 25 and w square. Square root of 25 is 5, which is outside the radical. Square root of w square, which is w, which is also outside the radical. So within the radical now, we are left with the number 2 and u. So now let's simplify the terms outside the radical. 6 times 3, which is 18 uw square root of 2u minus 5 uw times square root of 2u. If you notice now, here we have two terms, both are like terms. They are the like kinds of square root of 2u. So we are going to take the terms outside the radical, which is 18uw minus 5uw times square root of 2u. 18uw minus 5uw, that will be a 13uw times square root of 2u. That is how much you can simplify. Hope this video helps.